solo parent and hardworking mom. Some connections don't fail because of money, age, or culture. They slip away because of intangibles, timing, emotional bandwidth, unspoken expectations, and invisible pressure. This episode explores why relationships with solo moms can feel magical one day and distant the next. You ever felt like something good didn't explode? It just slowly slid out of your hands? Welcome to Sleep Sliding Away. This isn't about blaming men. This isn't about blaming solo moms. This is about the intangibles, the things nobody warns you about. You can do everything right and still feel it slipping. A solo mom doesn't love casually. She loves between responsibilities, school schedules, sick kids, financial stress, emotional exhaustion. When she shows up, she is choosing you over rest. That alone makes the connection feel deeper faster. But that depth comes with gravity. These are the moments that hook you. She listens, really listens. She's affectionate but grounded. She doesn't play games. She values presence over performance. You feel, this woman sees me, not my passport, not my wallet. And for a while, it works. Here's where it quietly shifts. You are not just dating her, you're orbiting her entire life system. Things she may never say out loud. I can't afford emotional chaos. I don't have time to recover from heartbreak. My child comes first, even when I want you. That pressure doesn't shout, it leans. Why it starts to slip away? No fight, no betrayal, just distance. Some common reasons: emotional availability changes week to week, guilt when happiness feels selfish, fear of attachment disrupting stability. You want progress, she wants peace. Nobody's wrong, but the rhythm breaks. Let's be honest. Men often feel useful, then unnecessary, close, then held at arm's length, needed but not fully chosen. You start asking, am I partner or just a pause? That uncertainty drains even strong men. What many men never see. She's torn between desire and duty, love and logistics, heart and home. Sometimes she pulls away to protect everyone, including you. Not rejection, self preservation. Green flags. Consistency, even if limited. Honest communication. Integration into real life, not just romance. Red flags. Hot, cold affection. Avoidance of future talk. Emotional closeness without practical inclusion. Don't chase clarity. Observe patterns. Some people aren't meant to stay. They are meant to show you something. If it slipped away quietly, it doesn't mean it wasn't real. It means it served its season. Not every love ends loudly. Some just slide gently into memory. I'm Neld, solo parent and hardworking mom. See you next episode.